Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Friends, this video is about IMOU Ranger camera. We will connect it to the mobile and we will also connect it to the dahua DVR. So stay with me and let's begin. So this is the camera we will explain today. This is a durable camera with great picture quality. This camera has very advanced features which we will try to explain. In the box we get a adapter, USB cable, screws, guidebook and a camera. First we will turn it on and make sure the green light is blinking. Then we will connect it to the internet router. The router to which our DVR is connected. Open the IMOU app in your mobile. You must create a user and password for login. Now press the add button and press scan QR code. Allow the permissions. Now scan the QR code given below the camera. Turn on the Bluetooth of mobile and press next. Press OK. Select your internet router and type the password. Press next. Now the camera is connected with internet. This may take some time. The device has been added to your account. Create a name for it. You can skip it. Now you can see the camera is connected to the mobile. You can adjust it with PTZ control. You can move up, down, right, left with PTZ control. Now we will fix its IP with laptop because the camera will change its IP every time after reboot. So we will fix its IP. We will fix its IP with config tool, which is a PC software. So let's begin. You must download and install config tool before this. Click and open config tool. Now connect your laptop with same router. Open Wi-Fi setting and connect it with same router. Laptop is connected with same router now. Click here to refresh config tool. You can see IP of IMU camera and DVR is showing here. Click on search settings and type the camera password here. You can see safety code on the label of the camera. Type the safety code in the password. Now you need to find the IP address of your DVR. So log in your DVR with pattern and open network settings. Open TCP/IP, modify, and you can see your IP of your DVR here. Now go back to the laptop screen. IP of camera must match with the IP of DVR. So click on edit option. You can see IP has changed. Now return to the DVR screen. Press right click, main menu, draw your pattern, click on camera, click on channel type. From here you can convert your analog channel to an IP channel. Click on apply, press OK, and DVR will reboot now. Wait for the DVR to turn on, and our lost channels have turned into IP channels. Click on add button of channel, draw your pattern, and you can see camera IP in lost. Click here to add. Go back on channel, and you have safety code of camera. Type here the safety code and enter. Wait for connection, and now camera is connected with DVR. Camera is connected without any cable. You can see the camera, just USB cable is plugged in. Click on PTZ control, and here you can move it right and left. It was all procedure. If you have connection problem, you can call me on WhatsApp. Stay connected with me. Thank you for watching.